Good day, I am Patricia Lorraine D. Dalles, and I am your event director for Rose Gold Dreams event. And it is my pleasure to present our event management proposal for your special occasion. Now, as part of my event management NC3 project, this presentation will guide you through our company's services, planning process, and complete wedding event structure, demonstrating how Rose Gold Dreams event can transform your vision into an elegant, seamless, and unforgettable occasion. Here is our table of contents, which we will be covering. Now, for our company, Rose Gold Dreams Event is a professional event planning company based in Ugong, Pasig City. Our tagline is turning your dreams into timeless celebration, which reflects our commitment to creating beautifully curated events that are personalized according to each client's unique vision. Our branding symbolizes romance, sophistication, and excellence, qualities that define every celebration we manage. As for our company, we are established in 2025. We specialized in crafting elegant and meaningful events, with weddings as our primary expertise. We pride ourselves on combining creativity, organization, and precision to ensure that every detail of your celebration is carefully planned and flawlessly executed. Our goal is to provide you with not only a beautiful event, but also a beautiful and stress-free, memorable planning experience. Our mission is to design and deliver personalized events that reflect our clients' dreams while ensuring smooth coordination and professional execution. Our vision is to become a trusted name in the event planning industry by consistently delivering exceptional celebrations marked by creativity, sophistication, and reliability. For our organizational chart, we have me, Patricia Dalles, as your event director and CEO. We have Jeremiah de Monteverde as our program coordinator, Eden Dikdikin as our marketing director, IC Estremadura as our finance officer, and Queenie Fernandez as our venue coordinator. For our target audience, we have engaged couples, private family and individuals, corporate events, social groups, and organizations. While weddings are our specialization, our flexible expertise allows us to cater to various event needs. Now, in order to maintain a strong industry presence and trusted service, we also utilize using social media marketing, collaborative promotions, referral partnerships, and event expos. These strategies strengthen our professional network and ensure our clients receive quality services backed by credible partnerships. Here is our company's SWOT analysis. Now, to better serve our clients, we continuously assess our strengths and challenges. Our strengths include personalized luxury branding, creativity, and attention to detail. We acknowledge the challenges of being a growing company, but this also drives our commitment to innovation. With increasing demand for professional event planning, we see valuable opportunities for growth while proactively managing competition and risk. For your convenience, we also offer comprehensive services, including full event planning, event design and styling, catering services, photo and video coverage, customized souvenirs, and entertainment management. Our goal is to provide complete event solutions under one trusted company. For our service offered, we have wedding, debut, engagement party, bridal shower, anniversary celebration, and gala dinners. Each event is carefully customized according to client preferences. For our packaging and pricing, our service packages are designed to offer flexibility based on your needs, priorities, and budget. To also enhance guest experience, we also provide personalized giveaways such as customized pen, tumbler, wooden fan, and scented candles. These thoughtful details contribute to a memorable celebration. We also have here our sample food, which is served in packs, so we can serve up to hundreds or thousands of guests. For venues, we offer carefully selected venue options including Glass Garden Events venue, White Space Manila, and Inares Sports Arena. Each venue is evaluated based on elegance, guest capacity, and overall suitability. Additionally, we have here our company partners in order to ensure quality service across all event components. Now, what we have here is a proposal letter to Mr. Jason and Miss Doris for their wedding celebration themed Forever Starts Today. This concept is designed to honor their love story through elegance, warmth, and timeless sophistication. Our proposed package includes full planning, catering, styling, entertainment, photography, coordination, and souvenirs. With the estimated budget for this complete experience is 381,128 for 100 guests. For the event brief, the wedding of Jason and Doris is designed to take place at Glass Garden Events venue on December 12, 2026. Our objective is to create an unforgettable celebration that reflects the journey of Jason and Doris as a couple while ensuring every detail is managed with professionalism and care. Their wedding celebration includes a ceremony proper, photo sessions, first couple dance, cake cutting ceremony, bouquet toast, and a formal send-off. This structured flow is to ensure that there is both elegance and a memorable guest experience. Now, here is the photo of the venue for the wedding of Jason and Doris, the outside view of the Glass Garden Events venue, and the inside. And the photo also includes the location on where to find the Glass Garden Events venue, which is located in 257 Evangelista Avenue, Pasig City. This is the invitation and program flow for the wedding of Jason and Doris, along with what would be the souvenirs or giveaways for their wedding, which is a customized pen from Wooden Dreams PH and wooden fan from Anything Echo. We also have here the stage and decoration. For our stage and venue styling, it is designed to create a romantic and sophisticated atmosphere that aligns perfectly with their chosen wedding theme. Here is our proposed budget. So for our financial plan, we ensure to proper allocate it for the venue, the catering, styling, logistics, technical needs, and safety measures. This is to guarantee a quality event while maintaining a budget transparency. For our proposed floor plan, this is carefully designed to optimize guest comfort, accessibility, safety, and operational flow. This is to ensure a smooth movement and efficient event management. For our proposed timeline for the wedding of Jason and Doris, we provided a complete event timeline to ensure organized preparation, punctual coordination, and seamless program execution from beginning to end. We have here our proposed event flow: 3 hours of ingress, 30 minutes of guest arrival, 15 minutes of processional, 30 minutes of wedding ceremony, 15 minutes of signing of marriage contract, 15 minutes for recessional, 15 minutes for cocktail hour and guest transition, 30 minutes for the reception and photo sessions, 15 minutes for the grand entrance of the couple, 15 minutes for their first dance, 45 minutes for the dinner, 15 minutes for the cake cutting, 30 minutes for the wine toast, 15 minutes for the bouquet toss, and 15 minutes for the garter toss, 30 minutes for the open dance where guests are invited to dance and celebrate, 15 minutes for the message of thanks by the couple to everyone who attended their wedding, a 5-minute feedback and survey, 15 minutes of the last dance, a 10-minute closing ceremony, and a 3-hour egress. We also have here our event checklist, which we will be checked before the event and after the event. To ensure that the wedding will go smoothly, we also have here our emergency response plan, which is to establish and ensure the safety and well-being of the attendees, staff, and stakeholders through a coordinated and efficient approach in handling unforeseen situations such as medical incidents. We also have here a risk management plan because your safety is our priority. Our emergency preparedness includes first aid stations, emergency response teams, evacuation procedures, communication systems, coordination with emergency authorities, and this is to ensure a secure environment for all the guests. We also have here the Pasig City Emergency Hotline in any case of incidents during the event. Our company also has permits from the DTI, the Mayor's Permit, and BIR to ensure that our company is legal to perform and execute any event planning. We also have here the contract with Mr. Jason and Miss Doris to ensure professionalism and accountability throughout the event. We also have here a memorandum of agreement with the event venue represented by Carlos M. Villanueva to ensure that there is accountability and legal compliance while using the venue. At Rose Gold Dreams event, we understand that every event is not just an event. It is a once-in-a-lifetime celebration. Our commitment is to transform your vision into a timeless and beautifully executed experience through creativity, professionalism, and detailed planning. We look forward to the opportunity to bring your dream celebration to life. Thank you for considering Rose Gold Dreams event.